guys, welcome back to Christine's World. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal review about this Amazon vlogging camera. I don't even know if it has a name. Maybe the IR is a name. I don't even know. It doesn't even have a name. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So this camera is pretty small. It can fit in the palm of your hand. And it also has a little belt for you to be able to hold on to the camera. And you can slide your hand through it. It's a 2.7K. So the picture is okay. I mean, it's not that great, but it's okay. And then also you have two batteries. And I bought a memory card separate because the memory card doesn't come with it. So I was having troubles trying to get this battery up out of here. So as soon as I get it out, I'll show you what the batteries look like, both of them, and give you an angle of the front and the back. And this is what the memory card looks like that I got from Amazon for $8.99. I think the 32 gigabytes is the highest memory that this camera can hold. So I don't think you can get like 128. I saw some of the reviews on Amazon. I think that was one of the reviews that came with this camera. So the red button right there, you would think it'd be a power button, but no, that's not the power button. That's actually the button that you record on. That top switch, that is the zoom, and the button under that is the photo button. And the lens is 10 times zoom. So it does have a really good zoom, and it is night vision too as well. The screen is touchscreen. Sorry about that. So yeah, the screen is touchscreen. It's really small though. So I mean, you gotta have really small fingers in order to even touch it. So if you have big fingers, then definitely this is not the camera. It came with the remote control, but the remote control did not work. So yeah. This camera also came with an external microphone, and which is really good. You don't hear any echo in the background. You pretty much hear everything clear. So I do like the microphone. I mean, it is nice to have. There's also a plug where you can plug up the microphone. And you can also use it as an external microphone to your computer as well. Now let's go ahead and plug up this camera because I know the battery is kind of low. I've been having a lot of people ask me how long does this camera last on the batteries, and really I haven't even really used it long enough to know. I did use it for the 4th of July and it didn't last long. probably under an hour. But that's why they give you 2 batteries. So if you need it longer, you can always charge the other one and then put the charge battery in. So that way it'll last for about 2 hours. And here's the camera holder that also came with the camera, and I find that it is very useful too as well. You can snap that onto a tripod and it fits perfect. And also you can adjust the camera. You can slide it back and you can slide it forward as well. And this is the box it came in. This video camera is made in China, and it did ship to me within 3 days. I received it from Amazon in 3 days. Here's the non-working remote control that supposedly supposed to work it. Maybe I did something wrong because there was no instructions in it. It was just like a little booklet on how to put it together, but not anything about, you know, the buttons on the camera or the remote control. So I was really upset that the remote control didn't work, but I still had made some use of this camera to where it wasn't pretty much trash. It's still okay for a camera, but not $100 okay. An HDMI cord also comes with this camera. You can hook it up to your computer. You can also hook it up to your TV to watch any of the videos that you did, in any of the pictures. You can also do live webcam. You can do all that with this. Whenever you hook it up, you also want to push the button to go down to your PC camera. That actually does transport your pictures to your PC. I tried to record some photos and stuff and add it to the video, but my computer was acting real strange lately, so I wasn't able to do that. But I'm going to let you see what they look like if you can see closely. I wasn't sure if you could be able to see it. I forgot to mention that this camera is not a Wi-Fi camera. In order for you to get the videos and stuff off the camera, you have to hook it up to your laptop. I don't pretty much care for stuff like that, but hey, it's what it is. And that is my review on this IR camcorder, camera, photo, camera, all that. That's my review on it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it don't make you go out to Amazon to go purchase it, because it's still not worth $99. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below. And don't forget to hit that like button. I will thank you guys for watching this video.